Today we're talking 6 simple steps in order to get your dream home. Hey everybody, welcome back. So step number 1 is determine your budget and your needs. So what do you absolutely need? Determine your budget around that. Your budget should be first. How much could you possibly afford, right? And then match your budget, match your needs to your budget. All right, step number 2, find a reputable agent. Finding a real estate professional that has your best interest at heart and is knowledgeable in the field is key. That can literally make or break your experience and getting the dream home for you. Step 3, get pre-approved. Now, that may also want to be step number 1 to determine what is your budget, but get pre-approved right away before you start looking for houses. Yes, this way you can understand what you can afford, what you want to afford, or what maybe you don't want to afford. Step 4, do your research. Research neighborhoods, research locations, research school districts. Rely on your real estate professional to help you with that, but you want to definitely do your research as to where you're going to live and why. Step 5, look at a lot of houses and make a lot of offers. So make an offer. Don't be afraid to make an offer. If you like the house, make the offer. Offer accordingly. Offer with contingencies, but consult your real estate professional, but make offers. Lastly is close the deal. Go to settlement. Have some fun. Enjoy your house. I hope you found this short list very helpful. If you did, let us know. If you didn't, let us know that too. Appreciate you stopping out. Have a great day, everybody.